So you're done with your private browsing and now it's time to go back to your normal browser tabs. Except when you close all the private tabs, you're still in private browsing mode. So how do you exit private browsing? To exit private browsing and return to normal, tap this little icon on the top right corner of your screen. Look for this selector in the middle. This is what allows you to change between your private browsing tabs and your regular tabs. Also worth noting, notice how I'm leaving my Google search page open in my private browsing before returning to my regular tabs. I'll do my regular web browsing here, but see what happens when I eventually go back to private browsing. Instead of opening with an empty tab, it's telling me it's locked. This is because I left something open, and because it's private, you'll need either a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to access it. I'll use my fingerprint, and there's my tab that I left open. And that's it. On a computer, you might be used to having private browsing affect individual tabs or windows, but here it works more like a group. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.